Want a garden with zero rules? Try chaos gardening. Instead of neat rows, just throw your seeds, mix it up, and let nature decide what grows. Chaos gardening means fewer pests, more pollinators, and soil that's always protected. It's diversity in action.
Those hobbits, oh, they're cute, cuddly as can be, like little bears snuggled up.
From one patch, you'll harvest food, herbs, and flowers, all thriving together like a little forest.
With a magical dinner, but we can't wake them from sleep. Whites don't bite. We just want
It's gardening for the wild at heart. Every day's a surprise. Would you dare try chaos gardening? Leave a comment below.